Aditya from Etambur. Today I will speak on the impact of Gandhiji's views on the mind of today's youth. Gandhiji's life and teaching are a great source of inspiration for today's youth. They showed the spirit of glory and way to freedom for Indians. His weapons were satyagraha and non-cooperation are still relevant and followed by many. The India we see today is all built by Gandhiji or Bapu. People even call him Bapu. His teachings, thoughts, methods and ideals are relevant and inspires for today's young generation. His teachings are still being practiced by all in day-to-day life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Your beliefs becomes your thoughts becomes your words becomes your actions. Good morning, one and all present here. Myself, Bhargavi Kulkarni from 7th Newton will tell you about the impact of Gandhiji's views on today's youth. Today, the Indian youth is facing a hard time. After 7 decades of independence, the youth has become more morally, ethically, socially, and spiritually adrift. The lack of sense of purpose is warning in comparison to what it was during the pre-independence days. They feel alienated and frustrated. There are many reasons for frustration and purposelessness. Gandhiji always told us that the anger and intolerance are the enemies of correct understanding. Modernization combined with globalization has changed life in general and the lifestyle of youth in particular in the last few decades, leading to change in social institutions and structures as well. Lastly, I would like to conclude myself that saying that live as if you are going to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Generations to come will scarce believe that such a man as this ever, in flesh and blood, walked upon this earth. A very good morning to all present here. I, Shravani Chaudhary from grade 9th Venus, is going to discuss the impacts of Gandhiji's views on the mind of today's youth. Father of a nation, Mahatma Gandhi was an impeccable leader who taught us non-violence, unity, honesty and equality. To a great extent, our youth is following him. Mahatma Gandhi was a true leader of masses. His life and teachings are a great source of inspiration on the mind of today's youth. He was such an icon for the youth that showed the spirit of glory and way to freedom for Indians. His weapons, satyagraha and non-cooperation are still relevant and are followed by many. His teachings of truth and non-violence are the key for growth and development for youth. His teaching inspire youth in field of education, human development and science and technological development. His views have prevented the Indian youth from being victims of terrorism and also prevented many joining the various terrorist organizations and spread of terror. Today's youth had learned many things from the views of Gandhiji, like to never give up and be consistent, work for unprivileged people, study abroad and work for our own country, simple living, high thinking. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Thank you.
My name is Ananya Durgakar from class 7 Dhawan afternoon shift. Today I am here to give 1 minute talk on impact of Gandhiji's views on today's youth. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, most popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, dedicated his entire life fighting for the cause of India's independence. His non-violent protests and peaceful demonstration of civil disobedience and hunger strike alarmed the British Empire so much so that they had to put him behind bars. But he continued his struggles determined to reach his goal and to free his people from shackles of its closeness. The father of nation Gandhi has left many powerful messages and life lessons for the generation to come. Children, being the face of tomorrow, can gain so much from his life stories, values and struggle. Non-violence and peace. Gandhi strongly believed in the practice of non-violence. For him, a peaceful resolution of problems and conflicts was the greatest of achievement. One might gain power and control by violence and threat, but respect can only be achieved by harmony and non-violence. Patience. In a world of opportunities and challenges, patience is a quality that may seem difficult to achieve but not impossible. Gandhi's struggle for Indian independence was not an easy task. However, due to his patience determination and forbearance. Along with his value, he succeeded and achieved his goal. Patience may seem tedious, but it is sure will bear good results. Truth or Satya, it is the concept and practice that Mahatma Gandhi propagated to get a great extent. For him, truth and courage walked hand in hand. So let's come together for a better generation and follow the values given by Mahatma Gandhi for the best one ever.